Web table, create easily, update easily and use anywhere. All from Google Sheet. Let us admit, creating table on a website is easy. But updating data is hard, especially when data is changing all the time. So, we have created GS2Web Table that lets you publish a web table from a Google Sheet. Update data on Google Sheet and change will reflect on your web table. Not only that, if you put hyperlink in a cell, user can view YouTube or SlideShare presentation, or fill a jot form or type square forms without leaving the table page. A pop-up preview will appear when you hover the cursor on the hyperlink. Click the hyperlink and the YouTube video or SlideShare presentation will open in a pop-up. Use the auto-generated embed code anywhere. Wix or WordPress or Squarespace or Blogger. This is not just a table, it's powerful web table. All from a Google Sheet.